I am all about going out and having a good time and splurging every now and then. But one of the things I cannot pay money for is avocado toast. A piece of bread with smashed avocado on it for $16, $20. Last week I saw it for $22. I just will not do it, and I don't know, I have this feeling that nobody else should do it, although they do. So today, I'm actually going to share with you my way of making avocado toast that I think really is the best way of making avocado toast. I can't take full credit for it because I learned how to do it this way when I worked at Ludlow Coffee Supply. I worked at Ludlow Coffee Supply for 2 weeks before I realized it was too far to bike regularly. But at Ludlow, we used to offer avocado toast, and this is the way they make it. The main thing about delicious avocado toast is the bread. So you can do it with like a loaf of bread that's in a bag. Like you can even make avocado toast on that horrible Wonder Bread. But if you have a really nice rustic farmer's loaf or even a sourdough loaf, this is from Fairway. It's the farmer's loaf, half whole wheat, half white flour. This stuff it doesn't stay fresh for very long, which is a good sign. Like you buy it, 2 days later, it's kind of stale because there aren't any preservatives in it. This is the sort of thing that's great for avocado toast. So the way I like to make this is cut a nice, healthy, big slice of bread. And I like to get a loaf and actually cut a piece so that, I don't know, there's something about this sort of large piece of bread that feels a little more luxurious. And this needs to get toasted. Toast. So while the bread is toasting, I prepare the avocado. And for a slice like that, I would use half an avocado. Put that aside for the next one. So I prepare everything actually in the avocado shell. You want a clove of garlic. So this is garlicky. I try to pick a small clove. Chop this up very finely. Very, very, very finely. You can even grate the garlic because you don't want like chunks or big pieces of garlic. You want it to just blend in with the avocado. So I do a really, really fine mince. Okay? And that very fine mince goes into this part of the avocado. And then in there, we put in some really nice salt. I like to use Maldon salt, okay? Some salt goes in the avocado. And lemon. Some lemon juice, some fresh lemon juice. I squeeze this right in here, and putting the lemon into the avocado like right away, right after you've cut it, prevents it from turning brown. This acid will keep the avocado looking nice and fresh. And it also flavors it. Okay, so that's what sort of goes into the avocado mash. I get a little spoon and I scoop like this, and I just sort of chop it up with the spoon and mix. I can't remember if this is how we did it at Ludlow, but it's just very convenient to do it in the skin of the avocado, because then you don't have to wash a bowl. And if you like it kind of chunky, you can leave it like this. You don't have to make it into a paste, but I like to make it smooth. Okay. And as I said, because that lemon is in there, it's going to stay this color. Okay, that avocado is prepared. The bread is done. You don't have to butter the toast. I like to butter the toast because it just sort of moistens it and makes it nicer. Now, onto that buttered toast, we put our lovely creamy avocado. And really spread it everywhere, like right to the end. This is what makes the difference, I think, between good avocado toast and great avocado toast is the presentation, like when it looks really nice. Okay, so right to the edge, make it pretty. Take the extra like 5 seconds to make it pretty. There. And now we need some chili flakes. And if chili flakes aren't your thing, you can replace the chili flakes with black pepper. But I do think that what makes this great, we did this at Ludlow, is a little something. So some chili flakes. More lemon goes on top. Just a little bit of lemon juice on top. Okay. Salt. The final thing that we would do at Ludlow, which I do here, is oopsies, some really good olive oil, just a light drizzle of olive oil on top. And that's done. So this is avocado toast as is, but you really can take this further. You can put goat cheese on here. You can fry an egg, and you can put a fried egg on top, which a lot of people do and a lot of people love. But I like it just like this, homemade. Delicious. Little thing that I should mention is the ripeness of the avocado. Avocados are expensive, and when I buy them, I usually buy an avocado that's firm, that's not actually soft, because it's very risky buying a soft avocado in the store. Usually when I've purchased a soft avocado and I bring it home, like admittedly, I bought this yesterday in anticipation of today, it was soft, and look, it's kind of mealy and brown. So it's not a good idea, I would say, to buy avocados when they're soft. Buy them when they're firm, buy them when they're green, and then ripen them at home. And the way that I actually ripen avocados at home is I put them in a bag. You can put them in a paper bag. You can put something else in, like if you have a piece of ripe fruit, ideally a banana, put the banana in the bag with the avocados, close the paper bag, like close it completely, even clip it, and just leave it alone, and check it like 2 days later, and then continue to check it until they're ripe. What I do, I don't have a paper bag in here. I have this very fancy cotton canvas bag that I found. I found this on Columbus at, like, I don't know what that store is called, like 81st or something. And this canvas bag, it's a waxed canvas bag that looks like a paper bag. I saw this in the store and I just thought it was so beautiful, and I bought it because I thought I'm going to use this for ripening fruit, which is what I do. So what I do is I put the avocados in here. If I have a banana, I'll put a banana in there, and then I fold the top down, and then I found this clip when I was antiquing with my friend Laura. This Victorian metal clip. Look at this, like, it's very strong. It has a spring. It's really beautiful. And so I'll just go like this, and I put the clip on it, and I leave this in my kitchen. Like, I'll put this on a shelf, or I'll just put this on a little side table. How nice does that look? I mean, this is what you just have to do. So that's how to ripen an avocado.